everybody, it's your girl 4Will Fitness, and I am here with another really exciting dance move that you can use in many different ways, but I use it in part 4 and when I'm doing other moves as well, and it is called the L. So the L, what you do is we're going to start off in our downtown, and with the L, when you're doing the part 4, somebody in line will either holler out L or hold up an L. And what that means is, so if I hold up an L here, that means when I hit this side, my right side, I'm going to turn to the left, do a downtown, come back, and then I'm going to go right back into my downtown. So again, let me show you. So if I call L right here, we're going to come back to the right, stomp out to the left, do our downtown, come back, and get back in the line doing our downtown again. So you can kind of see it more in motion. I'm going to go ahead and call it L, downtown, back to the left, and there you go. That's your L. So we'll do it again. L, remember I call it, give us time, into that downtown, and then back into the line, right back to the downtown. And there we go. So to slow it down a little bit, we're gonna go downtown, I'm gonna call L right here. When we come back to the right, I'm gonna pivot to the left. I'm gonna do my downtown fully, come back, pivot back, and get right back into that line. And there you go. So I'm gonna get funky with it and do some circles doing an L, and have fun with it, guys.